if you notice on this Toyota, this 93, I don't have the high side hooked up. I'm doing it all through the low side like a guy would with a can. But if you notice, I have 700 grams in the system, 23 psi on the low side. We're looking at nothing else. Look at the sight glass. It's crystal clear. There's not one single bubble inside that sight glass. You see that? Not one bubble. But this takes 1,000 grams of refrigerant. So I'm 300 grams low on refrigerant and I have no bubbles. So supposedly by Toyota's handbook, that means this system is full, but I'm 300 grams short. But if you're one of those yahoos sit down at a couch and actually believe everything Toyota, Ford, Chrysler, Hyundai, Honda, Jaguar, Ferrari writes in their book is correct, you're incredibly wrong. All right, guys, I'm going to continue filling this up.